Hey everybody, my name is Travis. It's Travis Pack Pulls, and we're back with a video about a mystery box. So, it's not a 2010 complete set, a Yankees complete set. I would never, ever in my life buy a Yankees complete set of anything, or with a Yankees on the, or the main thing. So, but it does have, or this is the one that Jabs opened up for me on his channel. This is the same seller that was selling his mystery boxes online. Now, there were so many good rookies in the one Jabs opened up that I was like, all right, well, I want to open up one for myself on my channel. So what we're going to do today is we're going to open it up. We're going to go through the cards, and we're just going to hope that there's some good stuff in there, kind of like there was in Jabs' channel. We're looking for, any rookies remotely near what he had put out for Jabs. So we'll see. I'm hoping he didn't juice it for him, and we can hopefully get some good stuff. It looks pretty cool already. It says, thank you so much for purchasing. Positive feedback will be left once it is received. Enjoy the cards. Moretti 1. That is the seller, Moretti 1. So where do we start? I see a lot of stuff. I see some stuff and a lot of penny sleeves in there. So I don't know. Let's start with this rack pack. Oh, I see a Joey Votto mini, so that's pretty good. All right, so let's start with this rack pack. It's 89 Donruss. I think everybody knows already what we're looking for in 89 Donruss. I don't really know what the collation for 89 Donruss is. I haven't opened up a lot of it. I was 3 years old when it came out, so. All right, so we just did the wax pack. That's all we did. Let's grab this first handful up to that penny sleeve and see what we get. Topps Heritage, my favorite set. Rookie Performers of Michael Conforto. Flashbacks, we've got Jacob deGrom rookie card. Whoa, that's a nice one. Not sleeved or anything. Corners look sharp though. Yeah, the corners look real sharp. Centering looks good. Oh, it's a rookie debut. There's the ticket. Still, I'll take it. Jacob deGrom, in my opinion, the best pitcher in baseball. I don't think really, there's probably not a lot of people saying otherwise. He's a dang good pitcher, so. We got a Hunter Pence, Bat Kings, Donruss card, so no numbering or anything on there. I'm not even sure what year it's from, honestly. 2015 Hunter Pence, but I'll set that aside. I like Hunter Pence a lot. He came up through the Astros farm system, and he got traded to the Phillies, and it was really sad. So yeah, I see there's my Topps Archives auto of him. I like 100 Pence a lot. So, but I'll put that in the good pile. Ooh, geez. I mean, this card's beat up. But, I mean, I'll take a Bowman Chrome. Alex Bregman rookie all day. It's pretty beat up, though. Just the bottom's completely messed up. Like, look at the bottom on that. And then there's, like, scratches on it. But, I mean, hey, I got one in my PSA slab ready to go out. Oops, sorry. Michael Young, authentic Dick Perez sketch cards. Elvis Andrews, first Bowman of Michael Conforto. That's pretty good paper, but still. Prince Fielder mini. Jose De Leon, Topps Chrome rookie. Bryce Harper, the future is now. Then we've got a Hunter Harvey, nothing special. And then another Golden Moments. Man, I got a lot of those Golden Moments cards. All right, let's open up this Dodgers pack from 2010. Bowman Chrome Mini Rookie. That's a cool one. And then a Manny Machado Bowman Chrome Mini. Super off center on that one. But I'll set it aside. I don't know anything about these minis, but Abbott, Whitey Ford. We got a Walker Buehler first Bowman paper. We'll take that one. Halos Heroes. What year is that? (2016). Still. Dylan Cousins first Bowman. Joe Buck, Allen and Ginter. Carl Crawford, Jacoby Ellsbury, Kevin Gossman, Bowman Platinum, Ozzie Smith, Topps Finest, and then Jordan Hicks, rookie debut Topps Chrome from 2018. That is everything. All right, so I'm going to go through everything and set it aside. I'm going to set aside all the good rookies. So if you made it this far, thanks for staying tuned. I guess the rest of it just must not be got destroyed because I can't find it anywhere. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.